Welcome to AI Ed, from bits to breakthroughs. I'm your host, Kelly 1.0, an AI-generated avatar here at newbits.ai, and I'm excited to guide you through the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. In this episode of AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge, we shift our focus to the proprietary AI landscape, a dynamic space where industry leaders, innovative startups, and powerful research labs drive technological advancement through commercial AI development. From OpenAI's GPT models to Google's AI infrastructure and NVIDIA's dominance in AI hardware, proprietary AI plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Let's explore how these developments influence the AI ecosystem and the opportunities and challenges that arise in this competitive space. The proprietary AI landscape is defined by groundbreaking advancements and strategic investments that push artificial intelligence beyond its previous limits. The commercial AI space has been at the forefront of innovation, producing cutting-edge AI models, customized hardware, and enterprise-grade AI services. One of the most prominent examples is OpenAI, which transitioned from a research-driven organization to a major commercial AI player with its GPT series. The release of GPT-4 has demonstrated how proprietary AI development accelerates large-scale model capabilities, with OpenAI leveraging billions in investment from Microsoft to integrate AI into products like GitHub Copilot, Microsoft 365, and Bing Chat. Meanwhile, Google continues to drive innovation through DeepMind and Google Research, producing AI models like Palm and Gemini, as well as foundational AI infrastructure, including TPUs and frameworks like JAX and TensorFlow. Google's integration of AI into its search engine and cloud services exemplifies how proprietary AI influences daily digital interactions. Anthropic, a newer player in the space, is setting new standards with its Claude models and its emphasis on AI safety through constitutional AI. The company's significant funding and research efforts reflect a growing emphasis on responsible AI development within the commercial sector. NVIDIA has also transformed into a leading force in AI, providing the computational backbone for many of today's most advanced AI systems. Its H100 GPUs and CUDA software ecosystem are industry standards for AI training and deployment. These innovations highlight how proprietary AI development extends beyond algorithms and into the very infrastructure powering AI progress. Amazon and Microsoft, through AWS and Azure, have further expanded access to proprietary AI models by integrating advanced AI into cloud computing services. Their AI-optimized hardware, like AWS Trainium and Inferentia chips, illustrates the growing role of custom silicon in AI performance optimization. Meta has taken a slightly different approach by balancing proprietary and open-source AI with its Llama models. While maintaining a level of control over its technology, Meta's decision to release certain AI models to the open-source community has significantly influenced the broader AI research and development space. Beyond research and development, proprietary AI shapes global market competition, investment strategies, and business operations. Tech giants are forging partnerships to scale AI capabilities, such as Microsoft's deep collaboration with OpenAI focused on building large language models and other AI capabilities that are integrated into Microsoft products like Azure, GitHub Copilot, and Bing, by leveraging OpenAI's research and utilizing Microsoft's Azure cloud computing infrastructure for training and running these models. This partnership aims to push the boundaries of AI research while ensuring responsible development and broad access to these technologies. AMD's work with Microsoft on AI-optimized cloud computing. Essentially, AMD, which stands for Advanced Micro Devices, creates the hardware components like CPUs and GPUs, while Microsoft develops the software that runs on those components. The proprietary AI market has also influenced sectors beyond traditional computing. Financial institutions like JP Morgan Chase utilize AI for fraud detection, risk analysis, and automated financial management, while companies like Salesforce integrate AI-powered automation into CRM and enterprise tools. Healthcare AI is another sector seeing proprietary developments flourish. IBM Watson, Google DeepMind, and Microsoft Healthcare AI solutions demonstrate how proprietary AI is being leveraged for predictive diagnostics, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. The energy and sustainability sectors also benefit from proprietary AI research, with AI-powered energy grid management, environmental monitoring, and climate modeling initiatives shaping the way businesses approach sustainability challenges. Google DeepMind's AI-driven energy efficiency initiatives for data centers are an example of how proprietary AI can contribute to global sustainability goals. However, proprietary AI development isn't without its challenges. As companies build increasingly powerful AI models, issues surrounding accessibility, bias, and ethical deployment become more pronounced. Unlike open-source AI, where transparency fosters community-driven improvements, proprietary models operate within closed systems, limiting external scrutiny. Issues such as data privacy, AI governance, and regulatory compliance are now major concerns in commercial AI development. Governments and policymakers worldwide are establishing AI regulations that will impact proprietary AI deployment. Companies developing proprietary AI must balance technological advancement with societal considerations, including fairness, security, and accountability. Another challenge lies in the increasing computational costs of developing proprietary AI models. With models requiring massive datasets and expensive computational infrastructure, only a handful of organizations can afford to develop the most advanced AI models, leading to market consolidation among a few key players. However, efforts like AI model distillation and more efficient architectures are helping reduce dependency on enormous compute resources. Looking ahead, the proprietary AI landscape will continue evolving as new breakthroughs emerge. Future advancements may focus on general-purpose AI assistants, AI models that integrate seamlessly across multiple applications and services, AI-powered enterprise solutions, custom AI solutions for business automation and optimization, ethical AI and governance, ensuring responsible deployment and regulation of powerful AI systems, advances in AI hardware, from more efficient AI chips to quantum computing breakthroughs. Hardware will continue playing a major role in proprietary AI development. The interplay between proprietary AI and open-source AI will also shape future development. Companies must decide whether to maintain closed AI ecosystems or embrace a hybrid approach, where proprietary AI is leveraged alongside open collaboration. At newbits.ai, we remain committed to exploring these advancements, offering insights into both proprietary and open-source AI innovations. If you're looking to navigate the world of AI models, tools, and platforms, be sure to explore our AI Solutions Directory, AI Hub, and AI Ed resources. In our next episode, we'll dive into the fascinating world of model architecture innovation, where we'll examine how the structures behind AI models are evolving to enhance performance, efficiency, and interpretability. Thank you for joining us on this episode of AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.